Hi, my name is Priyesh and this is the IndianBarfly. Today we are going to make one of the most iconic highball cocktails, the Gin and Tonic. A Gin and Tonic is a really refreshing drink and it's really easy to make. So we are going to make two versions of it. First the simple Gin and Tonic, and then we are going to make a variation. So let's get started. So first we are going to fill this glass with some ice. So I have a spear of ice here. I'm going to use this. Then we need some lime. I'm going to cut a lime wedge, squeeze some lime over the ice here. Then we are going to need some gin. I'm going to pour in 60 ml. Now in a gin and tonic, of course we need some tonic. So I have some Svami tonic here. This is a really great tonic. So I'm going to open this bad boy up and top it up with tonic. Then we need to garnish with a lime wedge. There you go. This is the gin and tonic. Really simple to make and extremely tasty. Cheers. Okay, so now we are going to make version 2 of the Gin and Tonic V2. So first we are going to need a wine glass. This is a large wine glass that I have. I'm going to fill this up with some ice. So fill it up with as much ice as you can. So once the glass is filled with ice, I need a lime wedge. So I'm going to cut a fresh lime here. Cut it into a wedge. I'm going to squeeze this wedge. And then I'm going to leave it in the glass itself. Now we're going to need some gin. So I'm going to use a London dry gin, greater than gin. I love this gin. It's really tasty. The taste of the botanicals is really great in this gin. So I'm going to measure about 60 ml. Now I'm going to need some tonic. So I have the Svami tonic like we used before. This is a really great tonic. So instead of pouring this directly into the glass, what I'm going to do is use a bar spoon. I'm going to cover the mouth of the bottle using the bar spoon and my thumb, and then I'm going to pour this using the spoon. So what this does is maintains the effervescence of the tonic and thus maintains the flavor of the drink. Now we need to garnish this with a lime wedge. So here's a lime wedge and here's the garnish. So this is Gin and Tonic V2. Cheers.